One windy night, Kai and Khoi were getting ready for bed when they heard a tiny bark outside their window. Kai whispered, "Did you hear that?" Khoi nodded, eyes big. "Is it a ghost chicken?" They tiptoed to the window and peeked out. Nothing. Just a dark yard, a wiggly tree branch, and... wait. Something small and round was glowing under the tree. Khoi gulped. "It's moving." The glowing thing bobbed closer and closer until it hopped right onto the window ledge. Kai squinted. "Hold on. That's not a ghost." The glowing creature wiggled, shook its feathers, and suddenly, poof! Its glow faded, and they saw it clearly. A tiny chicken wearing a glow-in-the-dark helmet. The chicken saluted them proudly. Bok, bok. A note was taped to its helmet. "Greetings! I am the Midnight Messenger Chicken. I deliver dreams, not scares. Please feed me crackers." Kai burst out laughing. Khoi opened the window and handed it a cracker. The little chicken ate it, puffed up its chest, and glowed again, brighter than a nightlight. It hopped away into the dark, leaving a sparkling trail of feathers behind. Kai whispered, "Can it come back tomorrow?" Khoi said, "Only if we have more crackers." That night, they fell asleep fast. Because everyone knows, no bad dreams can get you when a glowing chicken is standing guard.